Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this share Coforge. If you'll watch this stock closely, then you will find out that this stock was actually making bullish sort of patterns in candlesticks, but today this candlestick has proven that the bears have entered the market for this stock. Okay, so what are the levels for this stock? See, this level is acting as a support line for this stock. Okay, and this level, this line, see this line, I will make this line a blue line, okay, for your convenience, and you will find out that, see, log scale chart, and now see, this line has completely changed. See, log scale chart, line have completely changed. Can you see this auto? See, this line is acting as a support for this stock, so this is also a dynamic support line, and this is a log scale chart for this stock, log scale line for this stock. See, log scale, what can happen in this stock? See, tomorrow if the stock goes below the low of today, okay, then it will continue to fall for this target 2930 to 2940. Okay, so below today's low, what is the low of today? 2987. You can see a 40 rupees fall in this stock for sure. Okay, so there is 1% room in this stock for tomorrow. What can happen in 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame? So let's see, let's remove all of these drawings. Okay, and if you will watch this stock carefully and draw some Fibonacci levels, then you will find out that, see, this stock is actually trading around support region. What is the support region? See, this is the support region, and this is the support region from this level as swing high. As the stock has been not able to cross this swing high, so we will take this as a swing high for our analysis. Okay, now what can happen? See, let's draw one trend line. This is a trend line. If the stock tomorrow goes below this level, then surely it will come here and try to take a bounce. Okay, so this can happen, and if you'll watch it in context of moving averages, then you will realize that the stock has actually given a breakdown, and it is a breakdown of, you can say, a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. See, a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. The stock has given a clear breakdown for this head and shoulder kind of a pattern, and the stock is trading below these levels. So what can happen? See, if you are getting this target, okay, then only the stock will reverse, right? So 2940 is our target. What did I say? 2940. So how did I manage to take this level as a target so easily? Multi confirmation. 2940. See, are you getting my point? So this is the way to trade in stock market. If the stock goes below today's low around 2980, then it will surely come for 2940, 2935 rupees. Okay, so thank you for watching. And one more thing, if the stock tomorrow, you can say, if tomorrow the stock goes till this level, okay, goes up till this level, then it will take this level as resistance and try to come down. Why it will try to come down? See, if I remove all of these drawings, then you will find out that this level is acting as a resistance. Okay, clear resistance zone. Okay, and if all of the sentiment is bearish and this is a resistance for this stock, then what will happen? See, the stock will take this level as resistance, take this level as resistance, 3068, and again continue to fall for the target of 2972, 2911, 2815. Okay, why? Just because there was a head and shoulder kind of a pattern which was trying to, you can say, get activated, but it failed. See, this was a inverted shoulder, this was a inverted head, and the stock again tried to make a inverted shoulder kind of a pattern and tried to give a breakout. But what happened? It failed, and as it has failed, it will try to come down much faster. Okay, just because sellers have won this. If tomorrow the stock does not give a breakout from the downside, okay, let the stock open flat, and if it gives a breakout above this region, then only the sentiments will turn bullish. But there will be a one condition, that, see, the stock must break this level. But if this level is not broken, the stock takes resistance at this region, okay, around this swing low, okay, around this swing low, then you can short this stock. As soon as it goes towards this side, takes rejection and starts to fall below this low, you can short for target of this. Okay, did you get my point? So thank you for watching. So this is why it is very important to watch the analysis carefully. Have a nice day.